I just work with Baachu, and I'm just going to ask you some questions and just have a chat with you. It's very casual. I don't know why we call it an interview. So let's get started. Tell me about yourself.
So I've been in the proposal field for about 12 years, writing and management experience. Right now I'm a proposal consultant. So I work for a variety of different clients in either managing proposals, writing different sections, just kind of what they need.
Okay. So how did you end up in the bid and proposal world? Like, how did you stumble across it?
So it was interesting. I actually started off my career in bids and proposals. I came back to this Northern Virginia, DC area after my undergraduate and was in a master's program and was doing some networking. And that's how I discovered the world of bids and proposals. And so when I started looking for jobs, that's what I sought out.
Oh, okay. Was it like a part of your undergraduate? What did you do for your undergraduate?
So I just had a basic English degree for my undergraduate. I took a careers class and thought I might want to do technical writing. So I kind of explored that option doing my master's degree, which was professional writing and editing, and thought also about grant writing, but essentially ended up in bids and proposals instead.
Okay, that's interesting. What is the future like for your career?
I'm not sure. So I took an interesting path. I was working for primarily government contractors in the DC area early in my career. And now recently I've started consulting. And so I work full-time for a company called AOC Key Solutions. And it provides a lot of flexibility in what I do because I can wear a lot of different hats for different companies. And kind of go to different organizations and help out more than just one. So I really enjoyed that aspect of consulting, but I'm not really sure in the future where that goes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't know like what will happen after consulting. That's interesting. Because usually with a lot of job titles, you kind of know what the journey is, but it's bid and proposal just completely different.
Yes, definitely. And especially, so if you work for a single company, there might be a career path. You might become like a lead of a group of writers or a lead of a group of proposal managers. And there's not really that structure in my current organization.
Okay.
So a lot of times I'm just out on my own supporting a client and I'm not necessarily working with other people from my company.
Okay, that's interesting. And why did you decide to join the Scribble Scholarship as an ambassador?
I was really inspired by just the intent of the challenge, right? It's really to pay respect to the mentors that Bhaskar has and to kind of give back. And that's something that I really can stand behind. I have had really great mentors myself, and I've really benefited from APMP and the certifications and the opportunities that the organization has brought me. So I felt like being involved in something like this to support what Bhaskar is trying to achieve was really a great opportunity.
That sounds great. And you mentioned your mentors. Which mentors are you grateful for your career or aspects of life?
I've had so many great ones. I have a mentor, Eric Gregory, and he's been very involved in APMP and really was a great leader for an organization I worked for, CACI, and has continued to be a mentor even after he's left and gone to support Shipley. And even now that he's retired, he continues to provide mentoring and support. And so he's been really great. I have other great mentors who've also really encouraged APMP involvement and growth for me. Kristen Dufresne, Betsy Blakeney. Those are the big ones.
Oh, that's amazing that you have so many. And how are you planning to give back to those individuals?
So That's a tough question, right? They continue to be great influences and are always there if I have questions or need anything. Even as they've gone on different paths in their careers, Eric with his winding down and just providing kind of part-time consulting services himself, and Kristen taking on more of a capture role, and Betsy becoming more of like a trainer type position. I don't work in the same organizations as them, and so a lot of times my interactions with Kristen and Betsy are more at APMP events or other kind of networking events. So I don't directly interact with them as much anymore.
Okay. So it's a bit difficult too, but do you think in the scholarship program, you're going to like instill some of the things that they help mentor you in?
Absolutely. And even just in my mentoring of other people and younger professionals that are coming into our organization and that I come in contact through when I'm on a job or with a client. A lot of those soft skills, especially that Betsy instilled in me, those have been really great and helped me to be a better proposal consultant, proposal manager, proposal writer, being able to interact with people and not rub them the wrong way. She was great in kind of helping develop those skills. And so definitely all of the things that they've taught me and instilled in me, I try to pass along in how I mentor and guide other professionals in the field.
Okay, that's great. And so we just got the last question. This has been great. It's just flowing really like smoothly, and you just seemed really like passionate about what you do, which is amazing. So just the last question is just what's the one piece of advice that you would give to a bid and proposal professional?
Oh my goodness. So I think the one bit of advice that I would give is just to have a thick skin and to keep powering through things. And you're going to get a lot of feedback, and some of it's going to come across as criticism. But really, when people provide you feedback, try to get at the heart of what they're trying to deliver to you and utilize that for the positive moving forward. So try not to let things get you down and keep staying positive and move forward. There's a lot of challenges and obstacles that you have to overcome in this profession. And so you just have to stay vigilant and have that thick skin and just keep pushing forward. And if you have that drive, you can pretty much overcome anything that you run into.
Okay, that's a really positive message, and I think a lot of people would be reminding of that, because it is easy to get criticism. Like, it's easy for criticism to be taken badly and get you down. So that's really positive. Thank you so much. It's lovely meeting you, and take care.
You too. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.